Producers have been coping with major weather events the past 2 weeks with hurricanes on each end of the country. There was a tropical storm, of course, that affected Texas. Many now looking for guidance when it comes to crop insurance. Brooks York with AgriSompo joins us now. Brooks, first of all, thank you for being here on this Friday morning. Happy Labor Day weekend. We know our producers really don't get a vacation, especially with everything going on. So the big question when it comes to these natural disasters, does traditional multi-peril crop insurance help these situations?
You know, Suzanne, we faced a couple of things that were a little unprecedented over the last 2 weeks. You mentioned the hurricanes on each end of the country. Texas was affected as well. The good news is our multi-peril policies, they work in these disasters just like they would any other in regards to lower yields or drought, anything like that. And on top of that, a lot of producers have a supplemental hurricane and tropical storm policy, and what that does, it provides those needed that claim money a little quicker than traditional multi-peril. So they've got some protection out there. It's never good to have these losses, but it is nice to have that backstop.
It seems like levels of protection there. If you can give us, Brooks, an idea of volume of claims for crop insurance industry dealing with the crop year this year.
Well, we're going to keep this in mind. We're a little lower than we were at this time last year. And with these hurricanes and also with harvest coming on, these numbers are going to grow substantially. I think it would probably surprise some people. We estimate that industry-wide, there's around 250 to 280,000 multi-peril claims year to date on the 2023 year crop. And AgriSompo, we service around 15 to 20% of those. So it's a pretty big number. And like I said, more to come.
Wow. You know, I'm going to put you on the spot. If you were to pick a place in the country where crop insurance provides the highest number of revenue guarantees, where would that be? If California is such a unique state, the fact there's a lot of different crops, a lot of dollars that go into the production of those crops per acre. If you look at it through a more traditional sense, the Midwest, we really break things down right now, Suzanne. It's kind of a coincidence you asked because we spend a lot of time in Washington, D.C. with the Farm Bill, and we break things down by congressional district and by state. I can tell you that in Iowa 4, as far as a traditional corn and bean area in the country, the highest level of guarantee sets right there at $7.5 billion. That is to say, if there's not a crop in Congressional District 4 in Iowa, there's going to be $7.5 billion pumped in through crop insurance. And, of course, that's an extreme situation, but it kind of gives you the idea of not just the importance of crop insurance to the farmer, but that's really the lifeblood of a lot of rural economies out there. Absolutely. Wow. Mind-blowing. Thank you so much, Brooks. AgriSompo Producer Services Director. That's Brooks York. Always appreciate your insight and information.